Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about personal voice feature in iOS 17. So guys, in this feature you will be able to convert any text into your personal voice. So guys, here I will show you how can you set up your personal voice in your iPhone. So guys, first of all you will have to open settings on your device, and from here you will have to tap on accessibility, and from here you will have to tap on personal voice, and from here you will have to tap on create a personal voice, and from here you will have to tap on continue to create your personal voice. Just tap on continue, and from here tap again on continue to get ready to record. So as from here just give your personal name here, and from here you will have to just long press the red button, and then you will have to read the text which is given on the screen to check the sound quality. So guys, record the sound, and after this tap on continue, and again you will have to again record your voice from reading the text on the screen. So guys, long press the red button again and read the text, and after this your personal voice will be created in your iPhone. So guys, now you will be able to convert any text in your own voice. So guys, here I will give you a demo to convert your text into your personal voice. So guys, for that just copy any text in your iPhone, like I am copying from WhatsApp, and just copy the text from here and go back to your home screen and tap on settings, scroll it below and tap on accessibility, and from here scroll it below and tap on live speech, and from here just triple click the side button of your iPhone, just triple click it, and here you get the feature live speech. Tap on it and just paste the text which you have just copied, paste it here, and then tap on send button.
Well, let's do something better.
So guys, here you can see this, your text is converted to your personal voice. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.